Yo, what's good, YouTube? Ooh, I love that arm, though. Hey, stop playing. Yo, boy catching up on the taps. Like, I low-key. Ooh, I love this shit. I can't wait till this shit I get here. I'm sorry, my stomach, though. Hey, look, what's good, YouTube? This your boy, Bandman Rio. Hey, look. You keep on fucking up on CPNs. You keep on fucking up on bank accounts. You keep on fucking up on the wire transfers. Tap the fuck in. This your boy, Bandman Rio. Had no fear, cuz. Woohoo, man, y'all don't gotta say too much. You been a day one subscriber, you know what the fuck going on. You know who her had no felt on, bro. Hey, look though, I'm saying though, I'm finna keep it real short and simple though, cause I love to get right to it. CPNs, you cannot rush a CPN. I mean, once your CPN is made, you can go get like some petty shit, like a phone and shit. You know, by you getting a phone, it's helping you register your CPN into public records more. Did y'all know? When you put, say if you're using your name, right? You go to the post office and put your new address and not your previous address. You know? So it's like, not your old address. So it's like, you don't put that. You put your new one under that CPN name. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to lock in. It's going to lock in. That's how you keep on creating yourself to be in public records. It's a lot of stuff you got to do to get your shit in public records. The trade lines, AU trade lines. Yeah, I'm talking about a lot of shit in this video. Trade lines, the AU trade lines, bam. That only help you get really your credit score up. Primaries and the installment loans and the primaries is like on-time payments. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, you can build your primary up, like paying off once a month. Or you can just buy a primary like you paid it off once a month and it still show on-time history. Authorized user is just me adding you to my card. That ain't really on-time payment for real. But look, installment loan is the same thing as a primary. You get a loan, it's just an installment loan into your credit history. Primary, the same shit. I don't know what's the difference, but I feel like that shit the same, man. They just trying to make that shit sound so professional. I feel like it's the same shit. But you got rentals, you got mortgage. You got all these type of installment loans and shit. Really more. Not, them just two. Them not all. I ain't gonna try to oversauce it. Shit. So look, y'all. So look. If you fucking up on the bank accounts, right? You don't know how to make a check. Hit me up. Just a fake. Somebody sent this to my friend. You know what I'm saying? They did this so wrong. This is not how you make a check. First of all, look at that. What a number at? They did that shit so wrong. Tap in, hit my line. It will be in the description. But if you want me to do a bank for you, cause I drop checks and shit. So if you want me to do banks and shit for you, try transfer between a check and a wire transfer. It's two different things. Checks, that shit little. Wire transfer, your account gonna stay open, and I'm dropping like 15,000. Like, it ain't no limit to where I can. You know, so it's like tap in, but I'm letting y'all know now. I don't trust y'all because I don't know y'all, but my day one fans and the ones that really shop with me for real, and the unemployment hit, and everybody got their money and shit. They know. Well, they ain't get their money. They got the sauce, like the method and shit, how to do it. I just dropped free sauce about the CPN, so it's like I ain't finna get down on you. Shit, if anything, I need you on phone. No, I ain't gonna lie. I'll do you right. You gonna send me somebody else, you know? And that's more money coming in. I don't want to get to the point I got to keep on searching all day. Hell, fuck that shit. Hell no. So, baby, come back. Y'all got to send me y'all login and y'all card. But, yeah, tap in. Number will be down below.